Хотелось бы отметить, что политический диалог между Кыргызстаном и Пакистаном развивается весьма позитивно. И сегодня мы провели анализ состояния двухсторонних связей.
Excellency Prime Minister Mr. Temur Siriyev, members of media, ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to visit the Kyrgyz Republic, which has been our very close friend since independence. I wish to thank the government and brotherly people of the Kyrgyz Republic for the very warm welcome and generous hospitality that have been extended to me and my delegation. I am highly impressed by the nation's rich culture and wish to commend the progress and prosperity achieved by Kyrgyzstan under the visionary Kyrgyz leadership. I have brought with me greetings of the people of Pakistan for their Kyrgyz brothers and sisters. Pakistan-Kyrgyzstan relations continue to improve steadily. The relations are based on mutual respect, common faith, and shared interest. Our relations are marked by cordiality and commonality of views on major regional and international issues. Our political relations are excellent. We have agreed to further improve our economic relations, people-to-people contacts, tourism, and energy. We held wide-ranging consultations on issues relating to common challenges we face today and the opportunities available. We have shared interest on a broad range of issues, including peace and stability, countering terrorism, narcotics, drugs, and extremism, trade and economic cooperation, and regional integration. Pakistan wishes to further deepen and broaden relations with the Kyrgyz Republic in all areas of cooperation. We must focus on the need for regular political exchanges between Pakistan and the Kyrgyz Republic, including high-level visits. Today we discussed ways of realizing full potential of our rich human and material resources through expanding trade, increasing investments, improving infrastructure, building road and rail links, and enhancing energy collaboration. I stress the need for fast-tracking progress on energy projects. It is highly satisfactory that all important agreements regarding CASA 1000 project have been concluded. Pakistan's economic growth is heavily dependent on power. CASA 1000 can help in mitigating Pakistan's energy deficit. We should collectively work for implementation of this project at the earliest. We wish to develop an elaborate network of communication linkages. We have taken the initiative to develop Gwadar Port and Pakistan-China Economic Corridor. This will facilitate regional connectivity and enable Central Asian states to use our ports. Similarly, we will have access to this region. Our meeting also allowed us to discuss cooperation between Pakistan and Kyrgyzstan at the multilateral forums, especially at the UN, G77, NAM, and ECO. We look forward to work in close cooperation with Kyrgyzstan for comprehensive reform of the United Nations Security Council that takes into account aspirations of all member states. Instead of creating more centers of privilege, the reform should pay particular attention to the interests of smaller states and make the Security Council more democratic. We look forward to becoming a member of Shanghai Cooperation Organization and would appreciate the support of Kyrgyzstan to our request. The signing of Memorandum of Understanding between Pakistan and Kyrgyzstan today would help in further strengthening of relations between the two countries. Pakistan will continue to provide training courses to Kyrgyz nationals. More than 60 young and mid-career diplomats have been provided training at the Foreign Service Academy, Islamabad. Courses are also being offered for training in the banking, postal, and other sectors. I remain confident that our shared values and commitment to enhance regional cooperation will ensure even closer fraternal relations between Pakistan and the Kyrgyz Republic. Long live Pakistan-Kyrgyzstan friendship. Thank you. We really want to vigorously follow up on what we've discussed and decided. We have common heritage, common faith, and similar values. We would like to get closer to each other and solidify the relations between Kyrgyzstan and Pakistan.